Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. Sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. Pistons pumping, minds are racing. It's hard to sleep, man, when I'm shaking. Bad news surrounds me. It's always
this is just a little short video. There's your intake. Inline 6. It's a 5 liter EF5. Oh yeah, this is basically my truck tour. It was green, but now it's blue. It's called Cookie Monster for a reason. We got some Falcon Wild Peak tires.
Pretty nice. 4-speed. 5-speed or 4-speed?
5-speed. It's 4-speed with overdrive.
4-speed with overdrive.
Oh yeah, manual transmission. His is automatic. What is yours? 4-speed?
Automatic. 3-speed.
With overdrive.
C6 automatic. With it ain't got overdrive. It's
Oh,
got
alright.
them gears in reverse, pretty much. It's got a.
About yours.
It's got a 7.5 liter V8, 460. It's got a C6 transmission and 9-inch Ford rear end, limited slip differential.
No one out.
1978
Yeah.
model. Pretty good truck.
Yeah.
Going straight piper and she's gonna be louder and bright. No, I'm kidding.
Well, yeah, mine's gonna be loud too. Alright, so main difference, his is carbureted.
Carbureted.
Mine's not carbureted. Mine's, yeah, fuel injected right there. Oh yeah, you can feel it sucking a little bit. I'm gonna get a new intake for it sometime.
Oh yeah.
Cold air intake.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so got his truck. Y'all have seen, if y'all haven't seen his, go check out his channel. He's done a whole truck tour on this. I haven't done a truck tour. So if you look at him, you can tell I've got spacers on my truck. Set them out about 2 inches, it'd be almost like what his is. And if you check mine in the front, it would be more out if it was perfectly straight, but just for the picture. Or just for the video.
Mint.
Pretty mint. Everything's mint.
It's louder in mine right now.
Alright, we're gonna have to cover up the Alright, I gotta cover up all these
License plates.
yeah. It's not like I care, they come to my house, I just blow the hat off.
Well, that's one way to put it.
Alright, there's my truck from the back. Here's his truck. Well, that's what I like about your truck. I like that. I like the tailgate. I feel like your truck's a little bit wider, like the body is. I like the Ford though, that is sexy.
Here, I'm gonna pull mine up here.
You can pull yours up there?
Like,
Alright.
maybe.
Well, yeah, yours has gotta warm up a little bit. Let me check.
It's got, here, I'll show you the gas.
Dirt.
It can't be.
We got our two trucks. Here's Cookie Monster, got 2 gas tanks, got the boom, bam, bop. Oh yeah, you like the wheels? Yeah, we painted them. Hunter's starting his truck up. Listen to that. Hell yeah.
Mine's just kind of got a camera in it.
I love that sound so much.
Yeah.
I love that sound.
She sounds deep, don't she?
Yeah. She smells really good too.
Oh yeah, that's that old bourbon.
Look at that rust. Look at that 2-stroke muffler. Gasoline. What we got in ours? Oh, we just got 2 backpacks. Bike rack. Yep, it's pretty nice. Mine's definitely better. Mine's definitely better.
Wait, hold on. Where did my cone?
I don't know. My truck's definitely better though. His at aisle.
Tell me when to go.
Go. Give her a little red line.
Red line?
Red line it. Oh! Dude, it sounds so good once you let off the gas. We got mine. Oh my god, I want. His is louder. Yeah, go for it. smoke. Woohoo! I don't think mine will do that. I can. Look at all the smoke that's coming out of the. Look at that. It's coming out. Oh my god. I don't know. That's weird. Oh my gosh, I can't even see. Dude, that's sick, dude.
It's in my mouth.
I know it is.
Yeah, it's so
Look at
bad.
this. Look at this cat. Green bean. We got Cookie Monster.
the
What's your
ice
truck's
cream.
name?
Ice
We
cream.
got the ice cream truck.
Blue bastard, that's so good.
I can't put that in the camera. I can't put that in the video. One owner. Are you,
Flamingo
you're
clear.
definitely not talking about Caitlin.